Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to auto-download offline maps in Google Maps. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it, and after that, go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen, go to Offline Maps, and click on the setting icon on the top right of the screen. And as you can see, the second option is auto download recommended maps. And like that, when Google see that you are using a map very often, it will auto download it on your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you.